Hello everyone, this is Ankita Mallick back again with a new video, and in this video I created this very simple natural kind of a makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. I have already moisturized my face, and now I'm taking the Nykaa Insta Blur Color Corrector stick in shade Beige, and I'm applying it on the places where I have darkness to even it out. And using my fingers to blend it well on my face. Next, I'm taking the Illegal Pro HD Concealer in shade Pure Beige, and I'm applying it under my eyes, around the inner corner and on the outer corner. And then using a concealer brush to blend it evenly. I'm also applying the concealer on my eyelids to get an even base and blending it with the same concealer brush. Next, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Highlighting Primer in shade Natural Tint, and as it's a primer, you can apply it before applying any makeup to get a soft glow beneath your makeup that looks very natural. Now, as I forgot to apply it before concealer, I'm going for it now. It's a highlighting primer, so you need to make sure you take just a tiny pump of the product. Next, for the foundation, I'm taking the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation in shade Neutral Nude, and I'm applying it on my cheeks, just where I have no concealer on. Now, to set the concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Light Medium, and I'm quickly setting my face, especially where I have concealer on, so that it doesn't settle on the crease lines. I'm gonna quickly do my brows and be right back. Next, I'm taking the Love Earth Multipot Tint in shade Kiss and Tell. This is a tint that you can apply on your eyelids, cheeks, and also on your lips. So basically, when you feel like going for a natural monochromatic look, then you can go for such products. It's very handy and you can quickly get a look if you are running late, or you just want some colors on your face but also want to keep the look very minimal and simple. Also, it's a cream product which is like the perfect product for the summers and easier to blend. Now I'm picking up the product with my fingers and dabbing it on my eyelid and gently blending it in. Can you see? Just a hint of color can add so much to your face. Next, I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Glam Bronze Duo in shade Harmony Bronze, and with an angled brush, I'm applying the product around the outer corner close to my lash line, just creating a soft wing line. With the same product, I'm also bronzing up my face to add some definition. Next, I'm taking the Love Earth tint again and applying the product with my fingers on the apples of my cheeks, taking it up to my cheekbone as well to add some color to my face. And also applying a little bit of the tint on my nose. Next, I'm taking the Nykaa Lash Dog Super Sizer Volumizing Mascara and quickly adding some length to my upper lashes. For the lower lashes, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. Now for the lips, first I'm taking the Essence Stay 8 Hours Waterproof Lip Liner in shade Unforgettable, and I'm overlining on the center of my lips and then following the natural lip line and also filling in my lips around just the corners, leaving the center of my lips. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Lipstick in shade Strip It Off and applying it just on the center of my lips. And then I'm dabbing my fingers to softly blend it. Lastly, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Clear Lip Gloss and applying it on my lips. And so this is the final look. Very simple and natural makeup look that's easy to create. Something that you can always wear when you want to keep it minimal yet look fresh. I really hope you liked this video and the makeup look, and if you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button below. And also, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe for more such videos, and I'll see you in my next. Bye!